Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ROG Phone 8 and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset or force restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches. You can try to force restart it and it should work perfectly fine again. To do that, we have to press the power button, which is located on the right side of our device, and the volume down button together and wait until we'll see the black screen and the developer's logo. So the combination of keys, which is usually responsible for taking screenshots. Let me try to do it. Let me press both of those buttons together, and obviously I've made a screenshot, but no worries, just keep pressing all the time, do not release the fingers. As you can see, we've got the black screen, which is a really good sign. Maybe keep pressing. Okay, as you can see, we've got the developer's logo, which simply means that we just successfully we just performed a soft reset, and your device will be turned on in a second. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.